Completely shaved it.
Literally. And this is a completely different trail that no one's on right now. Decided we want to camp in a dumbass place. So the one time we say, oh, we're not going to do too much, we're not bringing too many tools. This looks like a good warm-up hill. Like and subscribe. So we're somewhere a little different right now. Where are we at right now, Carp?
I'm going up to Strawberry.
Strawberry?
Strawberry.
Why is this out?
Like you need a winch to go to Mirror.
What's going on, guys? So we're somewhere a little different today. We're heading up to Strawberry, catch a couple fish. Carp, how many fish we gonna catch?
I need at least 6.
At least 6.
1 for me and 1 for each of you.
But we should make sure we know the rules before we say how many we gonna catch.
Well, there's 3 of us. 2 of us have a license, so we can catch 10.
Okay, we're gonna catch 10 fish, guys. Who's the 2 with the license?
Me and you.
Oh, okay. We got licenses, guys. We're good. We got licenses. off that one wheel, right? Yeah. So once again, the exact same brake pad. The bolt came off again on it. But luckily this time we have one. Now look what it did to it. Like, watch from the outside, you can see right here. Look from right here, you can see what it did this time.
Damn, it completely shaved it.
Literally. And this is a completely different trail that no one's on right now. So we fixed it. Luckily we had all the tools and all the bolts. It was easy, but we just made it to our destination. This lake looks crazy. Watch. It's nuts, huh? I'm not sure which lake we ended up at, but it was definitely worth it. That stuff was looking nuts. How many fish did we catch? Two.
And we threw them back.
Yeah, that's what we did. We caught 2 fish and we threw them back. Garp, how many fish we catch?
This is a big ass cowboy. What?
How many fish we catch?
48?
Yeah, 2 and then 48. But yeah, we're just airing up now. Gonna go eat at this pizza place right here and head home.